Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated on 26 July every year in the honor of Kargil war heroes. This day commemorates the success of Operation Vijay, which was launched to take back the Indian territories captured by Pakistani intruders in the Kargil Dras sector 1999. In February 1999, India and Pakistan had signed Lahore Declaration to improve the strained relation between the two countries. On the other side, Pakistan army was capturing Indian high post in Kashmir to disrupt the link between Ladakh and Kashmir. In very difficult and extreme weather conditions, the Kargil war was fought for more than 60 days, which ended on 26 July. Indian Armed Forces established victory on July 26, 1999 by recapturing all the Indian posts that had been occupied by the Pakistani intruders. Since then, the day is celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas to rekindle the pride and valor of the soldiers who took part in Operation Vijay. In this war, 527 soldiers from Indian Armed Force were martyred, and once again not only our neighbor country but the whole world recognized the strength of Indian Armed Forces. This day is celebrated in the Kargil Dras sector and in the national capital, New Delhi. The Prime Minister of India pays homage to the soldiers at the Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate every year. What happened and transpired in Kargil must be an example to every Indian to judge his or her own actions when it comes to national service and patriotism. We all must resolve to do whatever necessary to serve our proud nation, be it through arts, science, commerce, or even military service. There should be an intention to pay back the nation's soil. The nation will always remember the brave soldiers who sacrificed their lives fighting for their nation by showcasing exemplary courage. If death strikes before I prove my blood, I swear I will kill death. These are the words written in Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey's diary, and this shows their bravery, their courage and their love for their country. Jai Hind.